Angel here, babyearpiercing.com, just coming at you. Going to talk to you about ear piercing jewelry. It's very important when you get your ears pierced to be careful of shirts on and off of your head. Also, you want to be careful of your jewelry not getting caught by a hairdresser, long or curly hair, beards, or wide mesh woolly sweaters. That I have seen that actually personally happen. A little story, I just got through piercing the little girl that was like 9 years old, and she got the flat flower style. She went to hug Auntie, and Auntie was wearing a wide mesh woolly sweater, and the earring she nuzzled in there perfectly, just got caught, and pow! Just when she, retracted from the hug, it pulled off and it went flying. And that's what earrings do sometimes when they get caught. They go flying. If that's the case, you actually have to find it, wash the piece, wash your hands, and reinstall it. You want to reinstall your piercing back into your new piercing. Do as best as you can, trying not to make a new exit hole. If you don't reinstall the piercing, it can shrink and act closed. Or if you don't put it back in, most likely that's what's going to happen. Sometimes if you've waited too long, it may seem impossible to reinstall your jewelry, and you might have to make it back to your piercer for a reinstallation. Though if it's the mall style, they cannot accommodate you, folks. They are going to pierce the ear again. And by piercing the ear again, that means they may get the same front hole, but they're most likely really gonna make a new back hole. So it doesn't matter if the piercing is old or new and it's closed, they are going to most likely make a new back hole. So if your piercing comes out, do find it. It's always great to have spare on hands. Wash the piece and install them. Try never to share jewelry for safety. This is Angel, babyearpiercing.com, DEH, registered safe body art practitioner, OSHA, general industry outreach training provider, and bloodborne pathogens safety specialist.